This video will focus on the required documents for port state control, as outlined in Resolution A.113831. The list of required documents for ships is found in the annex of Resolution A.1138, specifically in Appendix 12, which is divided into Part A and Part B. Part A lists certificates and documents that should be checked as a minimum during the inspection. This is per paragraph 2.2.3, which guides the PSCO on initial document verification. Part A includes various crucial documents such as the International Tonnage Certificate, reports of previous port state control inspections, and multiple safety certificates under SOLAS and MARPOL, covering oil, sewage, and air pollution prevention. The list continues with certificates related to masters and officers, the document of compliance, and other important safety and environmental management certificates like the Safety Management Certificate. Additional documents in Part A cover logbooks and recordings, including those for marine diesel engines, fuel oil changeover, and the ballast water record book. It also includes plans like the Search and Rescue Cooperation Plan. Number 1 is the International Tonnage Certificate, which is applicable to all ships, though exceptions exist for ships of war and those less than 24 meters in length. Number 2 is the reports of previous port state control inspections. This is applicable to all ships and provides a history of compliance checks. The report includes details on relevant certificates, their issuing authority, dates of issue and expiry, and information about the last survey. Number 3 is the Passenger Ship Safety Certificate, known as SafePass, required under SOLAS Chapter 1, Part B, and is applicable to passenger ships. Number 4 is the Cargo Ship Safety Construction Certificate, or SafeCon. It's mandatory for all cargo ships, particularly those of 500 gross tonnage or more, as per SOLAS Chapter 1, Part B. Number 5 is the Cargo Ship Safety Equipment Certificate, or SAFE EQU, required for all cargo ships under SOLAS Chapter 1, Part B. Number 6 is the Cargo Ship Safety Radio Certificate, or SAFE RAD, which is applicable to all cargo ships as per SOLAS Chapter 1, Part B. Number 7 is the Cargo Ship Safety Certificate, or Safe Cargo. This can be issued as an alternative to Certificates 4, 5, and 6 for all cargo ships under SOLAS. Number 8 is the Exemption Certificate. This is applicable to ships exempted by the administration, as described in SOLAS Chapter 1, Part B. Number 9 is the Minimum Safe Manning Document. This is about seafarers and safe operation, applicable to ships covered by STCW and SOLAS Chapter 11.2, and is guided by Resolution A.104727. Number 10 is the International Load Line Certificate, or LL. It's required for ships of 24 meters in length or more, according to the Load Line Convention of 1966. Number 11 is the International Load Line Exemption Certificate. The issuance of this exemption certificate is at the discretion of the administration. Number 12 is the International Oil Pollution Prevention Certificate, or IOPP. It is required under MARPOL Annex 1 for oil tankers of 150 gross tonnage and above, and other ships of 400 gross tonnage and above. Number 13 is the International Pollution Prevention Certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substances in bulk. This MARPOL Annex 2 certificate applies to ships intended to carry such substances in bulk. Number 14 is the International Sewage Pollution Prevention Certificate, or ISPP. This MARPOL Annex IV certificate is applicable to any ship engaged in voyages to ports under the jurisdiction of other parties. Number 15 is the International Air Pollution Prevention Certificate, or IAPP. Under MARPOL Annex 6, it applies to ships of 400 gross tonnage and above, and platforms or drilling rigs engaged in international voyages. Number 16 is the International Energy Efficiency Certificate, or IEEC. It is required for ships of 400 gross tonnage and above, as per MARPOL Annex 6. Number 17 is the International Ballast Water Management Certificate. This certificate, issued under the BWM Convention, confirms compliance for ships flagged by or operating under the authority of a party. Number 18 is the International Anti-Fouling System Certificate, or IAFSC. This is applicable to ships of 400 gross tonnage and above engaged in international voyages, as outlined in the AFS Convention. Number 19 is the Declaration on Anti-Fouling System, or DAFS. This is required for ships of 24 meters or more in length, but less than 400 gross tonnage, engaged in international voyages. Number 20 is the International Ship Security Certificate, or Interim International Ship Security Certificate, or ISPSC. This applies to passenger and cargo ships of 500 GT and upwards on international voyages, under the ISPS code. Number 21 covers certificates for masters, officers, or ratings. These certificates must be issued only by the administration and include certificates of competency and proficiency under STCW. Number 22 is a copy of the Document of Compliance, or Interim Document of Compliance. This is applicable to companies' operating vessels or mobile offshore drilling units of 500 GT or more, as required by SOLAS and the ISM code. Part B is a list of other certificates and documents required to be on board, as applicable. PSCOs check these if the initial inspection warrants further investigation beyond the minimum requirements of Part A. Part B shall be discussed in another video. Thank you for your interest in the video.